We at the Bellows Falls Police Department are concerned about a rise in collisions involving pedestrians. We want to do everything we can to help keep you safe. For this reason, we remind drivers of the importance of eliminating distractions, especially in high traffic areas, and we remind walkers that even at slow speeds, braking cars travel several feet before coming to a stop. Drivers, expect pedestrians to be in crosswalks and approach with caution. Pedestrians know the locations of crosswalks and cross there exclusively. Looking both ways before crossing isn't just for kids. If a vehicle is approaching, make sure it comes to a complete stop before proceeding to cross. Remember these tips and be especially alert at dusk and after dark. Our department sincerely thanks everyone for helping us bring the accident count down to 0.